Hi guys, back with Bassington. Hope you're all well, hope you're keeping safe. Today I'm at David Summerfield Jewellers at the Metro Centre, and I've put the link in the description. And I'm going to do an unboxing, and as you can probably tell, it is by Patek Philippe. And without further ado, here we have the watch. It is the Perpetual Calendar in rose gold. And I think this is an absolutely stunning timepiece. If I just undo the deployment clasp, you can have a look at that movement, which I believe is the best movement that Patek Philippe manufacture. Now this is a 2022 model, and the list on these is £80,480. This watch has never been worn, and it's available for £64,000. That's right, over a £16,000 reduction on the list price. And I think this is a bit of a bargain. It's by Patek Philippe, it's a brand complication, and it's in rose gold. I can remember not so long ago when certain steel sports models were retailing well above £64,000. And this is a very good example of what bargains can be had within the watch market today. This is a stunning timepiece. If you're interested, contact Tom at David Summerfield. In the meantime, guys, stay safe and stay tuned.